Bokajjan cops seize stolen car, one arrested. While elephants destroy over 8,000 kilograms of paddy in Phelangpi. BJP Mahila Morcha organized speech competition in Bokajjan. Good morning and welcome to Karbin Long Live News. You're virtually BP with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. In a latest development, Khatkati police on Monday morning seized one stolen car while it was being smuggled. One person has also been arrested in this connection. Our Bokajjan correspondent brings you this report. The stolen car was intercepted at Lahorijan police checkpoint and was seized by the cops immediately after the driver of the car failed to produce the documents. According to the police, the car was stolen from Guwahati and was headed towards Dimapur, where the car was likely to be delivered. The driver of the stolen vehicle was identified as 29 years old Akshay Nath, son of Jitendra Nath, resident of Bareli village, Mangaldoy town, Darang district. Further, according to the police, the arrested person has confessed to the crime while a case number 720 US 406 420 IPC has been registered with the Gorchuk police station.
হয় যোৱাকালি খবৰ এটা গুৱাহাটীৰ পৰা ওচৰৰ পৰা পোৱা গৈছিলে কি এখন গাড়ী তাৰ পৰা চুৰ হৈছে তো সেই মৰ্মে আমি লাহোৰজান পিপিত এটা নাকা বহা হৈছিলে আৰু ৰাতি প্ৰায় 9:30 বজাত এই গাড়ীখন ইণ্টাৰচেপ্ট কৰা হ'ল গাড়ীখনৰ নাম্বাৰ হৈছে A01 BY683 তো এই সময়তে গাড়ীখনৰ যিজন ড্ৰাইভাৰ আছিল তেওঁৰ নাম হ'ল অক্ষয় নাথ তেওঁ দৰঙৰ বাসিন্দা হয় তো তেওঁক আমি আটক কৰিবলৈ সক্ষম হৈছোঁ
Anantarang's report from Bokajjan for Karbin Long Live. For the people of Phelangpi or Kirani, wild elephants have proved to become more dangerous and destructive than the impact of coronavirus. This is the extent of damages it has struck the villages. On Sunday night, a herd of wild elephants have destroyed over 8,000 kilograms of paddy of a village in Rikangmihom inside West Karbi Anglong district. The incident began at around 8 p.m. when a herd of wild elephants in huge number entered the Rikangmihom village and ate up over 8,000 kilograms of paddy belonging to one Sonkar Terang. According to the paddy owner, the wild elephants also destroyed the standing paddy crops during the incident, causing extensive loss to the family whose whole year's work has totally been wiped away in a matter of 2 hours.
Angnar ke bang ke ene hapon helo chapen ahut karjulong ke asigar julong baji trok alom pensike cheng dak nangel ke bajinar ke palom an kanang nara hur dok pik amat aso char ang ton o hisab dun edala hai stamang nar ong pik
कौन बक शौक नुकसान निकला
sokal luksan ke ai ong dun angjin tumi morong kiki gaso cepontong ni ang jin talong ni pen haru hini ba ke doibo
मन फरक है
tu tenala ke rotang naso ceponteta ciri hini so selang hala ka kodetlo.
Meanwhile, forest officials have not reached the spot of the incident at the time of filing this report. It may be mentioned that the jumbo terror inside the Kopili constituency continued unabated, and the poor farmers and villages of the town have also been greatly affected due to the dangers it continues to pose to all, which has been compounded by the lack of any steps by the forest department. Mohanderon's report from Phelangpi for Karbin Long Live. Let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break. Nanglitum adamasar mai lapen kapre rong aji ki tunjia phan pindeng gaching thangja ka dure do ikma jongsi do pulo tangte matha ikri humri damignon pindeng pangrum akula dalong Northeast lapen Karbi Anglong along nong nam ka chang klong bang phi designer Pirbi Bepi non hejong kapaklang mi so arlo tum kaching thanga pindeng pini pekok lapen wamko kulara long kapaklang mi lang mesen do asi humri dam migra nali dum ning ke hanga teng pen chongwai da mik tha lapen ka humri dam nang jadim lake la biar long ke tok henlo Langdunik tha jeng toy jeng ni pen langdunik tha Karbi Anglong Moms Dancing Star Grand Finale mate payatum ke kan kachapatelong Adim lage Joy Singh Doloi Auditorium Hall Dipu lapen apora bangke ani kang sampor phai ke thompen lapen bangso kachapatelong kachapatir pipon lake maipu Singja Tiso Chunbang Arti Chinthongpi Bidi Sarpi Sangpi Kache Tarampia Tumhenlo Lapening Chibik Tha Kilang Dunabang Pubang Pitum Ansetame Ang Hua Dip Kachikubang Ting Ning Dere Welcome back after the break. With the aim of solidifying the women wing, a meeting of the BJP Mahila Morcha was held on Monday in Bokajan. The meeting was held at Nambur Adarsa Community Hall premise. The meeting, which began at 10 a.m., was chaired by Sarupathar Mandal Mahila Morcha President Bina Rongparpi, and the purpose of the meeting was explained to each member by Kaphu Intipi. Present at the meeting include Sarupathar Mandal Committee President Lokhiram Rongpi, Dipti Gogoi, State Kisan Morcha Vice President Karen Teronpi, among others. A speech competition was held at 11 a.m. under guidance of judge of the event Lokhiram Rongpi, who was assisted by anchor Kachi Teronpi and timekeeper Dipti Gogoi. Hampo Terangpi was declared the winner of the competition for her outstanding speech delivery, followed by Ambika Terangpi and Sunita Intipi in second and third respectively. Meanwhile, similar event was held in Deupani MSC constituency and Borjam MSC constituency, falling under Bokajan Legislative Assembly constituency. Anantarang's report from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. With start of Christmas season, the Langherang Baptist Church on Monday held friendly volleyball match at the NKBA Mission Center in Manja. The friendly volleyball match was organized as part of the ongoing tour program by Youth Department of the Langherang Baptist Church. NKBA Executive Secretary Benting Teron told Karbi Anglong Live that the sports event was organized as part of the church's aim of encouraging fellow members with the gospel message of Christmas.
Yang Karbi Baptist Association Saihem along lo that feel along Pini just met Langherang Baptist Youth Atum la pendak ni Hang Karbi Baptist Association staff lapen HBI student atum pen Christmas ning keceparong do na men pen ni tum friendly volleyball match padupon lo abaso volleyball match ke padupon ke la hello ni tum ningarong kecepi piningan kan mate 2020 ningkan keceng pen mamatsi that pi mate pel thadang lame
Dirchana Rongpi's report from Puloni for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that is all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.